Where are we going this weekend?
Ninh Binh.
Ninh Binh.
Let's go.
Alright. Packed, ready, out the door.
The view. Oh my goodness, I was craving this. Now please. How epic is this?
Susie got roped into taking Instagram photos for some other people. Can't really see it because of the sun. Mountain goats, probably just normal goats on the side of a mountain. Same thing. Susie searched for the perfect photo. She's gonna start free climbing the rock structure. She's setting up the camera on the other rock face so that she can get a selfie with her and the dragon. Northern Vietnam is a very beautiful place. And these are, it's like the rock formations you see like in Thailand and out of the James Bond movie and here in Halong Bay, or just inland. Tiga. It's not creepy, it's a cave. It's dark. And look what's there. It's a tiger. Raw. She's looking at me like, what the fuck are you doing? That's where we were earlier today. And now we've come down, and into the lily fields. And there's Susi. Das ist das Herz, das du vorher gesehen hast.
We're on a boat. We have no idea where we're going.
Nee.
But let's see. Rudert sie mit den Füßen?
Nee, oder?
Bist du sicher?
Ich habe nicht geguckt.
Doch, sie rudert mit den Füßen.
Ah.
It was a little bump and I was like, oh, did we lose one of the... What's the word?
Oars.
Yeah, that. And he was like, no, we found money. Money comes to us easily and effortlessly. She just almost jumped out of the boat for $2,000.
Money's money.
Money's money. It's everywhere. In the water.
Chatting in a coffee shop, sitting by the windowsill, walking down 8th Avenue.
Jetzt geht's in die Höhle mit Stirnlampe.
Rein, geh mal.
It's rather creepy. Whoa. Goodness.
It's okay. Hey, we come out the other side.
We do not want to go back.
We don't have to.
I don't know.
And daylight.
We live.
Balls in Viet.
Mystery bird park.
Have you seen any birds?
But a stranger asked me to take a photo with me.
It's what happens when you're beautiful. So there are a lot of places here, as you can see. Seems to be, I don't know, an event or a party going on. We don't really know. So let's go investigate.
Flashing signs, you take my hand and you pull me inside. When did everyone else disappear? Meet me at my
Weirdest park ever. I don't know.
We're finding the bird island via the long, long way. Bouncy, bouncy. Apparently you can also go by boat. That's what these people did. We are starting to walk. We're almost there. Another bridge.
Oh, very steep bridge.
I guess we're getting closer.
Surely not a sexy video. I see a bird.
See a bird! We found them. You know, at a distance. So we got ourselves a nice view up here. See all the birds. See the boats. What did we find here?
Another cave.
Yes, because we're in cave country. This one's called Mermaid Cave. And we saw a sign right when there where we left our bikes. So this might be a shortcut home. Watch your head, turn to the right. So we found out why it's called the Mermaid Cave. Because there is a statue of a mermaid in the middle of it. And I think we're almost at the other end. Watch your head. So we made it to the other end. It looks like we went in the wrong way. But word to the wise, it's only about 1 meter high in a lot of places. So unless you want to duck a lot, probably don't do it, to be honest. And here are our bikes. There we go, we found them. Then we just saw Mum and several pups on the side of the road. And we thought we'd stop and say hello. What are we doing here?
Say hi to the dog.
Alright, well,
Bye to the dog.
yeah, aw. What's his name?
I don't know. I call him Benji. And here we are back from Ninh Binh, back in Hanoi. I hope you enjoyed traveling with us. I know 2020, there's not a lot of new travel vlogs out there, and I know we're very blessed that we got stuck in Vietnam. So I'm always happy to take you on little tours, and I'm so grateful that we are in this beautiful country that we can still explore thanks to our business and location independent lifestyle. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to have more travel vlogs, and I'll see you soon.
dreams can last forever, 'cause I'd stay